Okay, just making a very quick videos on drawing electronic diagram of covalent compounds. So for the covalent bond, actually it will exist in both element forms or compounds. So you have to know that element means same types of elements. For example, you have like O2. Let's see whether I can change the colors. Or you have O2, like Cl2, like N2, things like that. Okay, you find that they are having same type of elements. Okay, both of them are Cl, both of them are N, and in between they are holding by covalent bond. Okay, the other one will be compounds. That means they will have different elements combined together. So, for example, you have HCl, CH4, okay, or maybe NH3, things like this. Okay, so you'll find that in this case, we will have two different elements. You have two different elements, say one hydrogen, one chlorine. Okay, you have carbon, you have hydrogen. So when these kind of non-metal elements, they try to combine together, they will form covalent bond. Okay, so one thing very important is about the definitions. Okay, so what is covalent bond? So covalent bond is formed, okay, by sharing of outermost shell electrons. Okay, so the keywords go to sharing electrons between two atoms. So normally the atoms that we are referring to is talking about non-metal. Okay, so I'll just give you a few examples. So the first one, okay, atoms of element without octet structures. So if elements they have octet structures, for example argon, that will be like 288, then no point for it to form covalent bonds. Okay, but for hydrogen say 1, oxygen say 26, okay, chlorine like 287, you will find that these kind of elements, they do not have octet structures, so therefore they are unstable. That's why they're going to bond with another same type of atom, say for example hydrogen. So you have hydrogen, two of the hydrogen, they will stick together because we're going to have dot and cross diagram. So the first one, the hydrogen, this electron referring to this hydrogen, and then the other one, okay, they will have the dot, okay, coming from this hydrogen. So if you cover up, okay, one of the hydrogen, if you like use your hand cover this one, you'll find that this hydrogen will have 1, 2 electrons. So for the first shell, if you have 2 electrons, actually it's a full field. So you find out this one full field already. Okay, so this one full field already. Okay, while the other one, okay, you also cover up, okay, the other side, cover up this side. Okay, you'll find that the hydrogen have 1, 2 electrons. So this one is also fulfilled. Okay, by sharing the electrons, you'll find that both of them will be in the status of fulfilled electrons. Okay, so same thing happens to chlorine. Okay, you can have a look of chlorine. Yeah. So you can have a look of chlorine. Okay, so for chlorine, more or less the same. Because chlorine want to have 1 extra electrons, so they have to put 1 here. So therefore, the other chlorine will put 1 here. Okay, so after you put 1 sharing electrons, you still have 6. Okay, 6 will be the lone pair. Okay, lone pair, where we'll put them, we will put it outside. Okay, so you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of the chlorine given here. Okay, while the other one, okay, the chlorine on the other side, okay, they will have also 7. So by doing this, okay, you will find that, okay, they shared 2 pair of electrons. Okay, and then they will form octet structures. Okay, so for oxygen it will be slightly different. Okay, because you see that oxygens, they want 2 more electrons. They need 2 more electrons. Okay, so therefore this time the oxygens have to put 2 electrons in the middle. Okay, so after you put 2 electrons in the middle, you still have 4 electrons for the lone pair. So therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this case. Okay, while the other oxygen, they will put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the other side. Okay, so basically from here you can count. You have 4 here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons. So we'll call this oxygen having a double bond. Okay, so when you just draw things, it will be like all have a double bond. Okay, so just rule of thumbs. Okay, do remember how many electrons we put here in the sharing zone. It depends on how many electrons you want in extra. For example, for this nitrogen, we want 3 more. So therefore, you have 3 electrons, 1 more, and then you have 2 leaving behind. Okay, so the nitrogen, you're going to put 3 in the middle. 1, 2, 3 in the middle, and then 2 in the outside. Okay, so the other one, okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, by covering it up, okay, you can see that, okay, the nitrogen can have 8, each of the nitrogen can have 8 electrons outside. So when we draw a simple versions, so this one, we call this one a triple bond. While this one we call it a double bond. Okay, a little bit so close for all these things. Okay, anyway, so this video just up to here. Okay, talking about the atoms of elements without octet structures. So next video we'll talk about the compounds, okay, with the covalent bond. That's it.